Say hi, Ian.
No.
Say, this is the game I've been playing all afternoon. Isn't it? You haven't been playing the same game all afternoon? It looks like you have been.
I haven't been on the computer all afternoon.
Well, no, not all afternoon. The last couple hours, anyway.
No one with the mushroom.
Hello. And then before that, too. Anyway. Where'd the cat go? Ian, did the cat go downstairs?
What?
The cat went downstairs, I guess. Yep. 'Cause she's not in my room anymore. So I leave. And I finished my literature. And so now I have to do my chemistry that I haven't done in like 3 weeks. So I'm losing the headness I had. I guess that I have art and geometry to do too, and a little bit of algebra. My calculator, the name is Harley. And protractor, algebra book, geometry book, and I think that's it. And so now I can start working, I guess. Maybe. I feel like it. Something like that. And all the photography books that are supposed to be... Oh! My portfolio. Pawn and Z. More Pawn and Z. More. He's got a place for putting coins in him. Like a puppet. And this one, because it's amazing. And Halo. I can't see. Pawn and Z. Pawn and Z again. That looks right side up, but not really. Prison bars.